Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Xbox account and confirming the console is online. This is required so the store can verify purchases and downloads. Once done, check for system update and free up at least 1 GB of storage to avoid interruptions. Next, open the Microsoft Store app and head straight to your library or updates. This starts the app-level update discovery. Make sure to keep the console awake while files download, so the process proceeds without timing out. You now manage the update list. Find the Xbox Store entry or related app bundles and choose Update or Reinstall to force the latest files. Because downloads can be large, use pause and resume to schedule them around peak network use. This prevents slowdowns. Once you start, prioritize critical store updates first so storefront features work correctly, and if you hit errors, try updating one app at a time to isolate failures. Make sure to monitor progress on the My Games and app screen for status. You finish by confirming the store opens normally and content, purchases, and search results load. This verifies the update applied correctly. If the store still misbehaves, make sure to perform a full power cycle by holding the console power for 10 seconds and restarting. This clears temp cache. For persistent faults, reset the store app data or remove and re-add your account to refresh credentials and licenses. If problems remain, contact Xbox support with error codes and make sure to note any recent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.